used in collaboration with select statement to arrange identical data into groups actually. The group by clause follows the where clause in select statement and precedes the order by clause actually, and precedes the order by clause. The syntax for the group by clause is select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition group by column 1, column 2. We can also, that example is here, select department, department is a column, sum salary from employee group by department ID. Suppose when we do go for a department ID, on the basis of department ID, it will do the sum of the salaries actually. Here if you want to take the department name also we can take department name, or we can take on the basis of the employee ID also we can take whatever you want, we can based on the data we can select the group by clause actually. Now we will see what's the difference between group by clause and order by clause actually. We will see what's the difference between group by clause and order by clause. Order by clause is used to arrange the records in ascending or descending order on one or more columns actually. Order by clause is used to arrange the records in ascending or descending order on one or more columns actually. Next is group by clause. Group by clause is used in collaboration with select statement to arrange the identical data into groups actually. If you write the definition, it will be, if you write the definition of group by clause and if you write the definition of order by clause and one example for the order by clause and one example for the group by clause, we will be giving for this question for 2 marks actually. What is the difference between group by clause and order by clause? So this is the way how you are going to use the group by clause and order by clause. Now we will go for a demo of the group by clause. Actually we have seen order by clause and group by clause, order by clause and sum, average. See a table is there. It contains customer ID, customer name and name of the customer, salary is there now. Here the customers are repeated. This is 1 this Mohan is repeated, here 1 is there. I want to sum up this on the basis of the group by clause with the group function. I want to do the sum of the salaries of individual employees. Suppose 111 salary is here 5,000. Next is another 2,000 is there. 5 plus 2 7,000 and here is 4,000 is there. It should comes around 11,000. Same thing, Varun is 1,000 is there. Here 2,000 is there. It comes around 3,000. Now Vishal is there. So only one name is there. We will only get these 2,000 will be there. So aggregate function, total of the salary of the employees basis on the name or customer ID. Now I use a particular command here, select customer ID, sum, salary, group by name. So I use the command called select name, sum, salary from customer 1, group by name. When I give this particular command, you can see the result will be shown like this. So when I run this command, I can see this. The salary what I said is here we have seen previous command, it is 11,000 was there. Individual values are there 11,000, 3,000, 2,000. Now the data is not in the order. Suppose I want the basis on the ascending order. Suppose names should be on the basis of names. I can use the command like this also, order by. I can use order by name. When I give order by name, what will happen? The data will be shown on the order of name, ascending order. Now you see, when I run this particular command, I can see the data will be based on order. Now you can also do, now I did on the basis of the name. Now I want to put it on the basis on the ID. So I can go for a customer ID here, group by customer ID. I can go for a customer ID like this, cust ID. Next is here also. Now, when I did this, select customer ID, sum, salary from customer 1, group by customer ID, order by customer. Now the data is based on the order basis also. Now when I use this order by customer ID, it is doing on the basis of customer ID basis. Now if you don't mention this order by ID, you can see the data will be shown in a different way. You just not in order. Just the data will be totally there, but some will be there. But only thing is the data will not be in order. You see, data is not in order. Now we use this particular command like see the group by class. First of all we will use the select star from select star from employee, select star from employee, select star from employee. When I give this, I'll get the data from the employee table. Just when I run this, I'll get the data from the employee table. This is the employee table. There are different types of departments are present. Department CS department is there, physics department, maths department, chemistry. I want to do the sum of the independent departments. So for example, how much the computer science department is, how much salary is taken by the computer science department, and how much salary is taken by physics department, how much salary is taken by the chemistry department, and how much salary taken by the maths department. Here individually we are individual employees are there, but suppose CS is the group, the CS department is 35,000, 25,000. If we combine these two faculty salaries, it comes around 60,000. Suppose physics department, he is also is a 50, 45, 35 and 35,000 is there. Now for that purpose I will use the group by clause here. Select star from employee, select here, select department, comma, some salary from some salary from employee. Now group by department. When I give this particular command, group by department, when I give this particular command, it will sum the department wise salaries actually. When I run this, I'll get, this is the maths department, CS department, physics department, chemistry department. Now I can also use the order by class along with the group by class. So what I will do is, just I will remove semicolon here, order by, I'll say I can order by department. So it will be on the basis of the ascending order actually, order by department. When I run this, you can see, when I run this, the data is shown in the alphabetical order, chemistry, maths and this physics. This is the way. Now I want